Dear students, welcome back to a new mathematics session. In the previous session, we have discussed about the nature of graphs of linear equations in two variables. We have learned the conditions, and in today's session, we shall discuss the problems from exercise 3.2. Let's move on to the topic. Before starting the class, let's recall the nature of graphs of linear equations in two variables. Consider the equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These are the general form of linear equation in two variables. And first condition what we have learned is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then we will get an intersecting lines, and intersecting lines looks like this, and the solution is unique. And since the solution is there, the system is consistent and dependent. Next condition what we have learned is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. If it comes like this, then there are coincident lines, and coincident lines looks like this, means one above the another, and the system will have infinitely many solutions. Here also solution is there, therefore the system is consistent and dependent. And the last one we have studied is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. If it comes like this, we will get parallel lines, and parallel lines, as we know, it looks like this, and the system will have no solution. Since there is no solution, we can say that the system is inconsistent. So before going to the next slide, please make sure that you have learned these conditions, these three conditions properly. Next, we shall discuss question number 2 on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equations intersect at a point, parallel or coincident. So we have to compare the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, and we have to make conclusion about the graphs, means whether the graphs intersect at a point, or the graphs are parallel lines, or the graphs are coincident lines, by observing these three ratios. First set of equations 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0, 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So let's compare this one with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. We have to compare, and we have to write first of all a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. For that first equation we are writing. First equation, while writing time, make sure that every term is on the left side. If there is anything on the right side, we have to bring to the left side. Here this is in the standard form only. 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. Everything is on the left side, equal to 0. From here we can write a1. a1 is coefficient of x. a1 is 5. a2 coefficient of y. Sorry, b1 coefficient of y, that is minus 4. And c1, that is a constant term, that is 8. Next we can go with the second equation. Second equation also in the standard form only. All the terms are on the left side. 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. From here let's write a2. a2 is coefficient of x, that is 7. b2 is coefficient of y, that is 6. c2 is constant term, that is minus 9. Don't forget to take the negative sign here. So c2 is minus 9. Next, let's calculate a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. So a1 by a2, when you calculate, 5 is a1, a2 is 7. So 5 by 7. Then b1 by b2, when you take, it is minus 4 and 6. Minus 4 by 6. Here there is a common term. 2 is common on numerator and denominator. Let's cancel it. That will be getting us, when you cancel with 2, 4 when we cancel with 2, we'll be getting 2. 6 when you cancel 2, we'll get 3. So minus 2 by 3. Here itself it is clear. a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are not equal. You can go for the conclusion. But anyway, we will go for c1 by c2 also. c1 is 8 and c2 is minus 9. So 8 divided by minus 9. Here nothing is possible to cancel. Let it be same. Or if you want, you can write this one in the standard form. That is, this minus sign we can bring to the numerator. That is minus 8 by 9. And the first two step itself, it is clear they are not equal. a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are not equal. That is, if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then we have learned that the system will have a unique solution. The system is having unique solution means we should have an intersecting line. Therefore, the lines that represent the linear equations intersect at a point. Next, we shall discuss question number 2. 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. There are two equations. Let's take the first equation, and everything is on the left side, so nothing to change. First equation is 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. From here we can write a1, that is 9, b1, that is 3, c1, that is 12. And we'll go for the second equation, that is 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. Equation is in the standard form. Here we can write a2 is 18, b2 is 6, c2 is 24. Once again, a2 means coefficient of x, b2 means coefficient of y, c2 means the constant term. Then we'll go for a1 by a2. a1 is 9, a2 is 18. So 9 divided by 18. Here also there is a common term 9 in the numerator and denominator. Let's cancel it. We will get as 1 by 2. So final answer is 1 by 2. Next is b1 by b2. b1 is 3, b2 is 6. So b1 by b2 means 3 by 6. Here also we can cancel 3 in the numerator and denominator. While cancelling, we will get 1 by 2. Final answer we can write as 1 by 2. Next is c1 by c2. c1 is 12, c2 is 24. Here also 12 is common in both numerator and denominator. When we cancel, we will get 1 by 2 here also. So c1 by c2 we have got as 1 by 2. You can see here all the ratios we have got as 1 by 2. So we can come to the conclusion that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So we have infinite solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, we have learned that the system will have infinite solution. Infinite solution means the system will have coincident lines. Therefore, the lines that represent the linear equations are coincident. Move on to question number 3. 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Here are also two equations. Both the equations are in standard form. Means all the terms are on the left side. So let's write the first equation. 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. From here let's write a1, b1, c1. a1 is 6. b1 is minus 3. Please don't forget to take the negative sign. And c1 is 10. Next equation, when you take 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Here also a2 is 2, b2 is minus 1 and c2 is 9. Let's calculate the ratios. a1 by a2 is 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2, we know that when we cancel we will get 3. So the answer is 3. Next is b1 by b2. b1 is minus 1, b1 is minus 3, b2 is minus 1. Here also when we cancel we will get 3. Minus we can cancel, we will get 3. The next is c1 by c2. c1 by c2 is here, c1 is 10, c2 is 9. 10 divided by 9, nothing can be cancelled. So we can come to the conclusion that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. This one means we can say that there is no solution. If there is no solution, the system will have parallel lines. Means the lines represent the linear equations are parallel. Next, let's discuss question number 3 on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Here we have to compare these ratios and we have to check whether the system is consistent or inconsistent. Consistent means the system should have a minimum one solution, or unique solution also, infinite solution also. If the solution is there means we can say the system is consistent. If there is no solution, we can say that the system is inconsistent. So let's write the first equation. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. First sight itself, it is clear that the equation is not in standard form. So we have to bring 5 to the left side. We have to bring 7 to the left side in the second equation. So first equation, when you write 3x plus 2y plus 5 comes to the left side, it comes as minus 5 is equal to 0. From here a1 is 3, b1 is 2, c1 is minus 5. Next, second equation, if you write 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Here also 7 we have taken to the left side to make it in the standard form. Here a2 is 2, b2 is minus 3, c2 is minus 7. These minuses please don't forget to take. Then let's go for a1 by a2. a1 by a2 means here a1 is 3, a2 is 2. So 3 by 2, nothing can be cancelled. b1 by b2, if you check, b1 is here 2, b2 is minus 3. So 2 divided by minus 3. Since the minus sign is in the denominator, if you want, you can bring to the numerator. Then it will be in the standard form. If you keep like this also, not a problem. So here I am writing it in the standard form, that is minus 2 by 3. So here itself quite clear, a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are not equal. But anyway, we will go for c1 by c2 also. c1 is minus 5, c2 is minus 7. Here minus can be cancelled. We will get the answer as 5 by 7. So here we can come to the conclusion that a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 means we know that the system will have a unique solution. Since there is a solution, we can say that the system is consistent. Next we shall discuss question number 2. 2x minus 3y is equal to 8, 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. Here also right side there is a term 8, we have to bring to the left side. Here also 9 is on the right side, we have to bring to the left side. So the equations which are in standard form, that is 2x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. From here a1 we can write 2, b1 is minus 3, c1 is minus 8. Then next equation in standard form is 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Plus 9 we are taking to the left side. From here we can write a2 4, b2 minus 6, c2 minus 9. Let's go for a1 by a2, that is equal to 2 by 4. Here 2, here 4. Here 2 is common. When we cancel, we will get us 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 we can write. Then b1 by b2, b1 is minus 3, b2 is minus 6. Here also 3 is common. When we cancel, we will get 1 by 2. Then c1 by c2, here it is c1 minus 8, c2 is minus 9. Here nothing is common, only minus sign we can cancel. So we will get us 8 by 9. So here when we write a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, because c1 by c2 is different, 8 by 9. So we can say that we have no solution. So when there is no solution, the system is inconsistent. Move on to the third question. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7. 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. Here first equation is 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y. This right side 7 we have to take to the left side. It is minus 7 is equal to 0. Denominators are there, that is not a problem. Let it be there. Only make sure that whatever is there on the right side we have to keep to the left side. That's all. From here a1 is 3 by 2, coefficient of x 3 by 2, b1 coefficient of y, that is 5 by 3, c1 that is minus 7. Next equation is 9x minus 10y. This plus 14 bring to the left side, that is minus 14 is equal to 0. a2 is 9, b2 is minus 10, c2 is minus 14. Then let's go for a1 by a2. Here calculation you need to be careful because fractions are there. a1 is 3 by 2 divided by a2 is 9. So here numerator is 3 by 2 and denominator is 9. Calculation is quite simple. Take this denominator 2 and multiply with 9. So 3 by 2 into 9 will be coming. That is equal to 3 by 2 into 9. And here 3 and 9 we can cancel. That is 1 by 3. So numerator is having only 1. Denominator is 2 into 3 6. So 1 by 6 is the answer. Next b1 by b2. b1 is 5 by 3. b2 is 10. Minus 10. So 5 by 3 by minus 10. Here also numerator is a fraction. So take that denominator 3 multiply with 10. So that is equal to minus. This minus we can bring to the numerator. Minus 5 divided by this 3 we have to multiply with 10. So 3 into 10. So here also 5 and 10 we can cancel. Will get us 1 by 2. So final answer is numerator is having only minus 1 divided by denominator 3 into 2 6. Here you can check a1 by a2 b1 by b2 not equal. We can come to the conclusion. But let's go for c1 by c2 also. c1 by c2, c1 is minus 7, c2 is minus 14. So here when we cancel we will get 1 by 2. Then we will get the final answer as 1 by 2. But anyway, we will write the conclusion that a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 means we will have a unique solution. Since there is a solution, the system is consistent. And here please note that this calculation 3 by 2 divided by 9. 3 by 2, just multiply this 2 with 9. Numerators, denominator, multiply with the normal denominator, that is 2 we have to multiply with 9. Here also 3 we have to multiply with 10. So please note this calculation. Move on to question number 4. 5x minus 3y is equal to 11 minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22. Here also right side there are terms 11 and minus 22 we have to bring to the left side. So the first equation becomes 5x minus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. This plus 11 will go to the left side, will come as minus 11 equal to 0. From here we can write a1 5, a2 is b1 is minus 3 and c1 is minus 11. Next we will go with the second equation in standard form, minus 10x plus 6y. Take this minus 20 to the left side, that is plus 22. So minus 10x plus 6y plus 22 equal to 0. a2 is minus 10, b2 is 6, c2 is 22. It's written here. Then we'll go for a1 by a2. That is 5 divided by minus 10. 5 divided by minus 10, it is quite clear, 5 is common. We can cancel, we will get as 1 by 2. So the final answer is minus 1 by 2. There is a minus sign here. Next is b1 by b2. That is minus 3 divided by 6. Minus 3 and 6, there is 3 common. When we cancel, here also we will get 1 by 2. And there is a minus sign. Final answer is minus 1 by 2. Next is c1 by c2. Here also minus 11 divided by 22. There is 11 common. When we cancel, we will get 1 by 2. Final answer, there is a minus sign, including that minus 1 by 2. So everywhere we are getting minus 1 by 2. So we can come to the conclusion that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. We can say that there are infinitely many solutions. So there is a solution, infinitely many solutions are there. Since there is solution exists, we can say that the system is consistent. Next we shall discuss question number 5. 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Here on the right side there are terms 8 and 12. We have to bring to the left side in order to make it the standard form. So first equation is 4 by 3x plus 2y. This plus side when come to the left side, it comes as minus 8 is equal to 0. And from here we can write a1, that is 4 by 3, b1 that is 2, c1 that is minus 8. Next equation we can write by taking 12 to the left side, that is 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. From here also a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 3, c2 is minus 12. Let's go for a1 by a2. a1 by a2 means here 4 by 3 is a1. 4 by 3, a2 is 2. So 4 by 3 divided by 2. We have discussed in the previous question this one. This 3 we have to multiply with the 2. That is 4 by 3 into 2. Here 2 and 4 we can cancel 2 times. We'll be getting the answer as 2 by 3. Next is b1 by b2. b1 is 2, b2 is 3. So nothing to cancel. Let it be 2 by 3 itself. Next is c1 by c2, that is 8 divided by 12. There is minus common, we can cancel. Then when we cancel 4, we will be getting as 2 divided by 3. 4 2s are right, 4 3s are 12. So we will be getting the answer as 2 by 3. So here everywhere is 2 by 3 we are getting. So we can come to the conclusion that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So if a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, then it is infinitely many solutions. Since it is infinitely many solution, the system is consistent because solution is existing. Next we shall discuss question number 4. Which of the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. So here the question is little bit different here. Which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent? Consistent means solution is there. It can be unique or it can be infinitely many solution. If the solution is there, then we can say it is consistent. If there is no solution, then inconsistent. And here if consistent means solution is there, means unique or infinite. We have to obtain that solution graphically, means we need to draw the graph of those equations. That is what the question. First of all, the first question, x plus y is equal to 5, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So first let's write it in standard form. Plus 5 on the right side come to the left side, that comes as minus 5. So x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. From here a1, b1, c1 we have to write. a1 is 1, b1 is 1, c1 is minus 5. Now we are quite familiar with this a1 by a2 comparison, so we will move little faster. Next is 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. 10 when come to the left side comes as minus 10, that is in the standard form. a2 is 2, b2 is 2, c2 is minus 10. Let's go for a1 by a2, that is 1 divided by 2, b1 by b2 also 1 divided by 2, c1 by c2 is minus 5 divided by minus 10. Here 5 is common for numerator and denominator when we cancel 1 by 2. So everywhere we are getting 1 by 2, we come to the conclusion that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. That means there are infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solution means the system is consistent. If the system is consistent, obtain the solution graphically. If the solution is not consistent, inconsistent means we can stop there. If it is consistent, we have to continue and we have to find out the solution graphically. That means we need to draw the graph. For that, we know how to draw the graph. Just take the equations and find out the table of values. The first equation is x plus y is equal to 5. From here y I am calculating. Take this x to the right side, that is 5 minus x. Then we can put x different values. First I am putting when x is equal to 1. X I am putting 1 means y I will get 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. One more value we can put when x is equal to 4. X I am replacing and putting 4. That is 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. So we have got a set of values 1, 4 and 4, 1. Let's put it in a box, that is x comma y. First x1 means y4, again x4 means y1. So first equation set of points are ready for plotting. Second equation, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. And when you observe here, there is a 2 common in all the terms. So we can cancel or dividing throughout this equation by 2. So everywhere if you cancel 2 means we will get here dividing 2 means we will get x. Here dividing 2 means we will get only y. And here dividing 2 means we will get 5. So that means x plus y is equal to 5. So just same as the previous equation, first equation. X plus y is equal to 5 means we can use the same table of values for plotting the second equation also, because second equation when you do little bit of calculation, simplified form is same as the first one. So we can use the same table of values x, y. X is 1 means y4, x is 4 means y is 1. So two sets of values are there, just plot it in a sheet of graph. Next, let's represent these two equations graphically. First equation x plus y, its corresponding table of values are here. Second equation 2x plus 2y equal to 10, corresponding table of values are here. Both are actually having the same table of values because both equations are same. Here when we cancel 2, we will get the same equation x plus y is equal to 5. So let's take a graph sheet and plot the draw the x and y axis and plot the points. And here 2 units we can keep 1 because there is numbers are very less. So first one is 1, 4. X axis 1, y axis 4. So the point comes here. So you are familiar with the plotting points on the graph sheet. Then we will move little faster. The next is x value 4, y value 1. X value 4, y value 1 is here. Then by connecting these 2 points, we have to draw a line and label it as x plus y is equal to 5. Then next equation points also same, 1, 4. That means same here 1, 4 and the next is 4, 1. Means on top of this one we have to draw another line and mark it as 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So these two equations lines are coinciding. Therefore we can say that the equation is having infinitely many solutions. Next we shall discuss the second question. X minus y is equal to 8. 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. First equation, when you take this 8 to the left side, it comes as x minus y minus 8 is equal to 0. And from here a1, b1, c1 we can write. a1 is 1, b1 is minus 1 and c1 is minus 8. Remember the minus sign. Next second equation, if you take 3x minus 3y minus 16 is equal to 0. We are taking plus 16 to the left side. That comes as minus 16. Here a2 is 3, b2 is minus 3, c2 is minus 16. Then we will go with a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is, here a1 is 1, a2 is 3. So 1 divided by 3. Next is b1 by b2. Here minus 1 is b1, b2 is minus 3. So minus 1 by minus 3. When you cancel minus both the numerator and denominator, we will get as 1 by 3. Next is c1 by c2. That is minus 8 divided by minus 16. When you cancel here 8 in the numerator and denominator, it comes as 1 by 2. So we will get the answer as 1 by 2. Then when we check here, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So here we can come to the conclusion that the system will have no solution. If there is no solution, we can say that it is inconsistent. So we can write the system is inconsistent. If the system is inconsistent, we need not draw the graph. If consistent only, we are asked to draw the graph. Here the system is inconsistent, so no need to draw the graph because there is no solution. Next, question number 3, 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0, 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Both the equations are in standard form. We have to check whether it is consistent or not. If it is consistent, we have to draw the graph and find the solution. So this question you will try it as homework. Next, we shall discuss question number 4, 2x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0, 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Here both the equations are standard form because the right side is completely 0. Let's go for writing a1, b1, c1. From here a1 is 2, b1 is minus 2 and c1 is minus 4. And when you consider the second equation, a2 is 4, b2 is minus 4 and c2 is minus 5. Then a1 by a2, when you calculate 2 and 4, when you cancel 2 and 4, you will get as 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is 1 by 2. b1 by b2, b1 is minus 2, b2 is minus 4. So when you cancel here 2, you will get as 1 by 2. Minus minus also can be cancelled. Then c1 by c2, when you take, it is minus 4 and minus 5. Minus 4 by minus 5. Here minus only we can cancel. We will get the answer as 4 by 5. Here when we check, it is a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are same, but that is not equal to c1 by c2. That means we can say that there is no solution. If there is no solution, the system is inconsistent. If it is inconsistent, we need not draw the graph. Dear students, today we have discussed the consistency and inconsistency of system of linear equations by comparing the coefficients like a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. I request all the students to by heart these conditions and solve the given questions in a sheet of paper. While solving, if you are having any doubt, please note it and keep. We will discuss it during the discussion session. Thank you for watching.